How to get a YouTube Premium student discount in 2023. YouTube offers a discounted premium plan for students. Eligibility requires being a full-time student at a recognized institution. Verification is necessary every year to maintain the discount. Benefits of the YouTube Premium student discount include ad-free streaming. Students also gain access to downloading videos and playing them in the background. The subscription includes YouTube Music Premium with curated playlists. To get the discount, visit the YouTube Premium Student Plan landing page. Click Try It Free and complete verification through ShareID. Provide school credentials and upload any necessary documentation. Once verified, select the paid membership option in your YouTube profile. The YouTube Premium student discount is only available to current students. After graduation or leaving school, membership will continue at the standard price. To learn more, visit saltmoney.org.